That's an active Yellow Jacket's nest actually inside this homeowner's wall. He discovered it while replacing the window and got stung several times by these aggressive insects. Before treating, we inspected the exterior and discovered a small hole in the wall from the outside, which was how the Yellow Jackets were able to infest the home. For treatment, we injected an aerosol application directly into the opening, and then afterward, applied a knockdown dusting product. Both of these treatments will rapidly exterminate the Yellow Jackets. Once they were eliminated, we carefully removed the nest from the wall and disposed of it. Even though the homeowner was going to repair the wall and the window, we sealed up the opening on the outside with a premium adhesive in order to prevent any other pests from infesting the building. Now the Yellow Jackets are eliminated and the homeowner can safely resume his renovations.